Okay, we're on strip number 6 of the in-class practice sinus rhythm strips. Okay, we're on number 6 and we're looking, well, I'm looking, and I am seeing a lot of irregularity. I'm seeing some bumps, and so let's take a look at this. Let's blow it up a little bit. Okay, I am looking for a P wave. Okay, I see a bump there. I see a bump there, but they are not in the same place. This bump is over here, and this bump is here. Looking for more bumps. Oh, I get a bump there, I get a bump there, I get a bump there. I don't really have a bump here. I was a bump way over here, and nothing there. And this kind of goes down, and then it goes up, and this goes up and up. And this kind of goes down, and this kind of goes down. Okay, I'm not finding any P waves here. A P wave is a thing that comes before the QRS, stays the same each time, is in the same place each time with the same PR interval, at least at this point in our course. We don't have that. There is no P waves here. So, your first strip with no P waves. Okay, so it's not going to be sinus anything when we're done with this. This is a rhythm we're going to learn about in a week or so. Okay. So we can't do a PR interval. We can't do that measurement. What you could do in first strip number 6 is write NA, not applicable. This guy doesn't have P waves. Okay, let's measure our QRSs. Okay, let's blow it up. Okay, I have a QRS here, starts there, ends. Now this is all part of the QRS right here. Okay, ends right about there. Starts a little bit before the dotted line, ends a little bit before, I'm thinking it's going to about 0.08, maybe a little bit less. A little less. I'm going to call it 0.06. Okay, so for QRS width, we're going to write here 0.06. And we are going to double check that, make sure that we're not too far off. Here to here. Yeah, that's a 0.06 from the middle of that box to see it ends before here. So you're going sideways, here you're going down, so that puts you in the middle of the BIS box. So a little 06, maybe even an 08 for that one. There, this one ends here, there. Okay, sometimes I'm getting 06, sometimes I'm getting 08. You could be really technical and write 07 if you'd like. Okay, I'm going to write 0.06 to 0.08 because I could not decide. Still doesn't matter because they are the same, as far as normal goes, they're perfectly normal. Okay. Now let's deal with this irregularity. I know automatically that this is irregular, so I'm just going to write irregular here. Okay. Now question, how do we do heart rate on someone that's this irregular? Okay, so let's take a look here. I've got 6-second markings on here. Here's 3 seconds here. And the other 3-second mark is back here. Okay. Back off a little bit. Okay, so let's, where's my 6 so I know what I'm doing here. Okay, from here to here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 get through. So there's a 7. I'll go to the other end of the strip and start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 get through on that side. So for heart rate, we're going to write a range from 70 to 100. And I've provided you what this answer is. We haven't learned it yet, but this is an atrial fibrillation rhythm, an irregular rhythm with no P waves. Okay.